His contribution to the growth of the Democratic Party as a strong political party reminds all of us the need to develop strong political parties for democracy in this country. And as we bury him, we'll emulate him, and in the parties that we belong, we'll make sure that we develop them into strong political parties for the growth of our democracy. A distinguished public servant who has served this country with dedication. We have keenly followed his eulogy, and we have nothing but admiration for a man who gave his all to serve his country, and also a man who brought up his family well. And that is what we desire in this country. I had the privilege of meeting the late Joseph Munyao. He was a great friend of my late brother, the first governor of Nyeri, Gachagua. They were together in the Democratic Party. He was jocular, a very entertaining, good old man. And I listened to him, and I followed a few lessons from him. I must say that we from Nyeri remain indebted to the late Joseph Munyao for the way he stood with our third president, Mwii, the formation of DP 1991. And he stuck with him when he lost the elections in 1992. He stuck with him. When he lost in 1997, he stuck with him. And when he won in 2002, they won together. I really admire consistency and true friendship, because Joseph Munyao was a true friend of Mzee Mwii, the greatest president Kenya has ever had. So as we honor him, as we bury him, let's be true people to friendship. Let's be consistent. If you choose a path, stick to it from the beginning to the end, because that dignifies